Hello everyone. In this lecture, we discuss types of electrochemical cells. Mainly, there are two types of electrochemical cells. First cell is there are two types. That is, first cell is chemical cell. Chemical cell, and second type is concentration cell. Concentration cell. These are the two main types of electrochemical cells. Again, chemical cell classified in two types, that is with transference and without transference chemical cell. With transference chemical cell and second type is without transference chemical cell. Without transference chemical cell. Next is concentration cell, again dividing in two types, that is first one is electrode concentration cell. Electrode concentration cell, and second type is electrolyte concentration cell. Electrolyte concentration cell. Next is this electrolyte concentration cell, again classified in two types, that is with transference and without transference electrolyte concentration cell. Shortly we can write with transference and without transference. And second type is without transference. These are the classification of electrochemical cells. Here, in shortly we discuss electrochemical cell is mainly divided in two types, that is chemical cell and concentration cell. Next, chemical cell is classified in two types, that is with transference chemical cell, without transference chemical cell. Concentration cell is dividing in two types, that is electrode concentration cell and electrolyte concentration cell. And electrolyte concentration cell dividing in two types, that is with transference electrolyte concentration cell and without transference electrolyte concentration cell. These are the classification or types of electrochemical cells. One by one we discuss. First we discuss chemical cell. First we discuss chemical cell. In chemical cell, redox reaction takes place, that is EMF produced by chemical reaction. Therefore, this type of cell is called as chemical cell. Then chemical cell is divided in two types. First type is chemical cell with transference. We discuss first type is chemical cell with transference. In this type, the ions is transferred. Therefore, this type of cell is called as chemical cell with transference. For example, here we consider one half cell, that is, this is one half cell. We consider as A electrode is dipped in solution, and second is, this is second electrode, we considered as electrode B. Electrode B is dipped in solution containing iron, and these two half cells are connected by porous partition or salt bridge. Porous partition or salt bridge. When reaction takes place, therefore, the transfer of ions through this half cell to this half cell is by porous partition or salt bridge. This is called as salt bridge. From this salt bridge or porous partition, the transfer of ions takes place. Therefore, the reaction is carried out, and this type of reaction or this type of cell is called as chemical cell with transference, because ions are transferred. For example, we all know that the example of Daniell cell. In Daniell cell example, transfer of ions through zinc Zn2 plus Cu2 plus electrode of Cu in aqueous. This is first half cell, this is second half cell, and the transfer of ions takes place by porous partition or salt bridge. Therefore, this type of cell is called as chemical cell with transference. This is the first type in chemical cell. Next type is chemical cell without transference. Next type is chemical cell without transference. In this type, there is no transfer of ion. Fully reversible to chemical cell with transference. This type is reversible to chemical cell with transference, because with transference the ions are transferred, and in this type the ions are not transferred, because therefore it is called as chemical cell without transference, because two electrodes are dipped in only one electrolyte solution. Here we considered as this is because, and two electrodes are dipped in same electrolyte solution. Therefore, this type of cell or this type of reaction is called as, or reaction takes place in this type of cell is called as chemical cell without transference, because there is no transfer of any ion, because only one electrolyte solution is present and the two electrodes are dipped in this one electrolyte solution. Here we consider one example of chemical cell with transference is platinum electrode, H2 gas is dipped in HCl solution, aqueous, and gas is 1 atmospheric pressure, and second electrode is AgCl H. This is the example of chemical cell without transference. Briefly we discuss this example. Firstly, we write down the reaction for this example. Here we write down the reaction. Minus and plus. In left side, the oxidation takes place, and right side, the reduction takes place. At anode, the reaction for this is oxidation means loss of electron. Therefore, we write down H2 gives twice H plus plus 2 electrons. This is oxidation reaction. And second is at cathode, reduction takes place, that is Ag twice AgCl plus 2 electrons to give twice Ag plus 2 Cl minus, that is reduction reaction takes place. And then the net cell reaction is these two electrons get cancelled. We get H2 plus twice AgCl to give twice Ag plus twice H plus plus 2 Cl minus. This is net cell reaction. For this reaction, we find out the reaction quotient, and this reaction quotient is put up in Nernst equation. Here we write down reaction quotient Q is equal to, for this reaction, activity of Ag, and the coefficient 2 is raised to the power 2 into activity of twice H plus plus Cl minus, we can write here twice HCl. Therefore, activity of HCl to the power 2 whole divided by activity of CH2 into activity of AgCl to the power 2. In this equation, we all know that H2 gas is 1 atmospheric pressure and activity of Ag is equal to activity of AgCl is considered as 1 and activity of H2 gas 1 atmospheric pressure. Put up this value is put up in this equation. We get the equation is Q is equal to activity of this value 1, this value 1, this value 1. Therefore, write down only activity of HCl to the power 2. This is the reaction quotient for this reaction. Next, the Nernst equation is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RTNS into log of reaction quotient Q to the base 10. Now we consider as here E is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT. Number of electron is 2. Therefore, write down 2F into log of reaction quotient value is activity of HCl to the power 2. Therefore, write down activity of the HCl to the power 2 to the base 10. This 2 is converted to here, and these two get cancelled. We get equation becomes E0 cell minus 2.303 RT. 2 get cancelled, therefore only write 2F into log of 10 activity of HCl. Now we calculate EMF, standard EMF of cell. First we write down, we all know that EMF of standard is find out by The equation is for finding the EMF of cell. E naught cell is equal to E right minus E left. In right side, the cell becomes AgCl electrode. Sorry, Ag silver electrode minus E naught cell into hydrogen electrode, that is H2 electrode, and the value of hydrogen electrode in EMF series is 0.0 volt. Therefore, E naught cell is equal to E naught cell of silver electrode, AgCl Ag, and this value put up in Nernst equation, and the equation becomes E cell is equal to E naught AgCl silver electrode Ag minus 2.303 RT F into log of activity of HCl. At 298 Kelvin temperature, the equation becomes E cell is equal to E naught cell AgCl silver electrode minus 0.0591 upon, this value fully becomes 0.0591 into log of activity of HCl. This is the Nernst equation for chemical cell without transference. In next lecture, we discuss concentration cell, and this concentration cell, in briefly we discuss concentration cell, electrode concentration cell, and electrolyte concentration cell. Okay, thank you.